Meaning of half-pipe.
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 Half-pipe. A half-pipe is a structure used in skateboarding, snowboarding, and similar sports. It consists of a U-shaped structure, typically made of wood or concrete, where the two sides rise steeply from a flat base, forming a concave shape in the middle. The term half-pipe refers to the fact that the structure appears to be a pipe that has been cut in half lengthwise. Athletes ride up one side of the structure, perform tricks in mid-air, and then land on the other side. Half-pipes are often used in competitions and training for these sports.